Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In life, what we say can build or destroy everything around us. Sometimes, a single wrong word can break a relationship, cause us to lose respect and trust from others, and immediately make us wish we could turn back time. It's the moment when your words are like an arrow you can't pull back. But imagine if you could master your speech so that every word you speak reflects wisdom, finesse, and inner strength. In today's video, we will explore 6 things that an intelligent person never says, inspired by Stoic philosophy. Stoic philosophy teaches that words are not just sounds, but a reflection of your intellect and values. Stoic philosophy emphasizes avoiding meaningless boasting and embracing the power of silence. These habits not only shape how we communicate, but they also define who we are. The best part is that by the end of this video, you'll have practical insights to immediately elevate the way you speak, whether in work, with friends, or even in your inner dialogue. Get ready. This is not just about what you say, but how your words shape who you are. Don't miss out. We're about to embark on a journey that will change how you understand the true power of speech. 1. Don't share too much about future plans. We often feel excited to share our plans and dreams about the future with others. It seems that by talking about them, we feel closer to our goals, as though we've already grasped what we want. But in that excitement, we fail to recognize an important truth. Words can never replace actions. Sharing too much about future plans not only risks losing others' expectations, but also causes us to lose motivation and perseverance. Have you ever encountered people who constantly talk about what they will do in the future but never actually follow through? Their words are full of confidence, but failure always follows. Every time they talk about their grand plans, it feels like you're listening to a fantasy. You start to doubt their ability, and eventually, they themselves begin to feel that their words are empty. No matter how big their future plans seem, they never actually come to fruition. Repeatedly making unfulfilled promises is like a fire that gradually burns the trust others have in them. Stoic philosophy reminds us that instead of boasting about the future, we should let actions speak. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Let your actions be your words." When you follow through with what you say, you don't need to explain or boast. The tangible results will speak for themselves, and others will see you not just speaking, but acting. Not just promising, but delivering. Don't let words be an empty shell for plans not yet realized. Let silence and action speak volumes about your true value. Sharing future plans may excite you, but don't let it become a trap. Unfulfilled promises only make you look like someone who speaks without doing. Instead, be persistent in your actions and let success speak for itself. Sometimes, keeping certain plans to yourself helps protect the respect of others and prevents disappointment when words fail to materialize. Silence about what you will do can bring true strength. Strength that doesn't need to boast, but simply acts. 2. Avoid boasting about knowledge. In life, we all know that knowledge is a valuable asset. However, boasting about what we know not only diminishes the respect we earn from others, but also unintentionally creates a wall between us and those around us. A wise person understands that intellect does not need to be flaunted. In fact, humility in sharing knowledge is what truly highlights its value. When we constantly try to prove ourselves through achievements or knowledge instead of inspiring admiration, we create an invisible barrier between ourselves and others. People may feel pressured to compare themselves with your intellect, and rather than respecting you, they may gradually feel hesitant or even avoid you. Think about the conversations you've been part of. Have you ever found yourself unable to stop talking about your knowledge, even when those around you might not really care? At first, it may feel satisfying to share, but over time, the listeners become tired and disconnected. I know someone who is an expert in marketing, highly skilled in their field with deep knowledge of advertising strategies. However, when this person frequently shared complex strategies that they had successfully implemented, their colleagues began to speak less. They felt overwhelmed in every conversation and started avoiding interactions with that person. At first, the person didn't understand why, but when they realized they were overly focused on showcasing their knowledge, they decided to change their approach. We should remember, as Stoic philosophy teaches that practical actions are the true demonstration of one's wisdom. Instead of boasting, let your work speak for itself. Words don't need to boast when your actions have already spoken. And more importantly, listen. Through listening, we not only learn, but also build genuine, connected relationships. Humility and sharing is the key to deep connections with others, making people admire not just your intellect, but also the true person you are. 3. Don't make promises without commitment. Promises play a crucial role in building trust in relationships, yet we often make them hastily without fully considering our ability to follow through. This habit, though unintentional, can erode trust and weaken relationships. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of aligning words and actions, teaching that the fulfillment of a promise is a true measure of character. When we fail to keep our promises, we lose the respect and trust of others. Imagine someone who is always making promises to colleagues, friends, and family, but never fulfills them. At first, people might understand, thinking the person is just too busy. However, as promises remain unfulfilled, disappointment starts to build. Even if the promises are well-intentioned, they eventually become empty words, damaging relationships that were carefully built. This not only causes others to lose faith in you, but also leads to self-doubt. Stoic philosophy teaches us that every word we speak should be followed by action and should reflect sincerity. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Let your words be simple and true." This reminds us that a promise is not just a commitment, but a reflection of our personal integrity and credibility. Breaking promises is like writing a check you can't cash. It causes the erosion of trust. To avoid making empty promises, ask yourself before committing, do I have the ability to fulfill this promise? If the answer is uncertain, it's better to set realistic expectations rather than promise something you can't deliver. Learn to promise less, but deliver more. By achieving your goals with certainty, you'll not only avoid disappointment, but also build a reputation as someone reliable. When we follow through on our commitments, our relationships will be stronger and we'll earn true respect. 4. Resist the temptation to complain. In a busy work environment, it's easy to fall into the habit of complaining, especially when faced with challenges. Imagine someone who constantly complains about their overwhelming workload or trivial issues like a broken coffee machine or inefficient colleagues. Initially, others might sympathize and offer advice, but as negativity drags on, it begins to wear them down, and they start to avoid this person. Feelings of frustration can overwhelm us, but we must recognize that complaining doesn't solve the problem. It only worsens the situation. Stoic philosophy teaches us to control what we can and let go of what we cannot. Complaining about things beyond our control, like traffic or the weather, is a waste of time and energy. Instead, we should focus on what we can change and take action to improve the situation. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow, not a reason to place blame or complain. Ask yourself, what can I do to address this? If you can't change it, let it go, and redirect your energy to more positive things. An effective strategy is to shift your perspective on the problem. Instead of focusing on dissatisfaction, look for lessons or opportunities in every challenge. This helps you approach problems more objectively and sparks creativity in finding solutions. As you begin to change your mindset and stop complaining, your relationships with colleagues will improve, and they'll turn to you not just for your intellect, but for the positive energy you bring. Ultimately, refraining from pointless complaints not only restores your inner strength, but also changes how others perceive you. To live a meaningful life, use your words and thoughts as tools to build connections and foster sustainable growth. 5. Don't disregard others' opinions. We don't always agree with the opinions around us. However, it is crucial to maintain respect and be open to listening to others' ideas, even if they differ from our own. Respect for differing viewpoints creates a healthy communication environment where everyone feels valued and understood. Disregarding others' opinions is not just a lack of respect, it's also a missed opportunity to learn something valuable. At times, we may feel that we have all the answers and that there's no need to listen to anyone else. But this arrogance can make us rigid, closed off, and unwilling to open our minds to new perspectives. A wise person understands that their own opinions are not the only ones that matter. They are always willing to listen and learn from others. Imagine you are in a meeting, and you are the most experienced person in the room. You assume you know everything. When a less experienced colleague presents an idea that contradicts your expectations, instead of listening and understanding more, you quickly dismiss it. In that moment, you unintentionally close the door to creativity and make others feel disrespected. This is a form of disrespect that we often create without even realizing it. True wisdom lies not only in knowledge, but also in the ability to listen to and evaluate others' opinions. Everyone has a unique perspective on the world, and it's this diversity that brings richness to solutions. Treat every opinion, no matter how small, as an opportunity to broaden your perspective. Instead of arguing about who is right, turn every conversation into an opportunity to learn, understand, and grow. When we respect others' opinions, we not only foster a collaborative and creative work environment, but also build trust in our relationships. Humility and openness help us grow, both professionally and personally. True wisdom is not about never being wrong, but about being ready to learn and change when necessary. 6. Don't deny your mistakes. Admitting mistakes often feels like exposing a weakness to others. I used to think that way too, but after experiencing a significant failure, I realized that admitting my mistakes doesn't diminish my worth. Instead, it proves my maturity and honesty. Stoic philosophy teaches us that true strength comes from accepting the truth, even when it reveals our shortcomings. Marcus Aurelius said, "If someone can prove me wrong and point out my mistake in any thought or action, I will gladly change, for I seek the truth, and the truth never harmed anyone." Imagine you are leading an important project, and you've carefully planned everything, confident in your abilities. However, due to poor communication with your team, you miss a crucial detail, causing delays and negative feedback from clients. Instead of blaming colleagues or external factors, you realize that the problem was due to your own oversight. It's at that moment you decide to admit your mistake to the team, apologize, and propose solutions to improve the situation. The result is surprising. Instead of feeling embarrassed or criticized, you gain respect from your colleagues. They appreciate your honesty in taking responsibility and finding a way to fix the problem. This action not only helps restore trust, but also boosts team morale. You realize that admitting your mistakes is not a sign of weakness, but rather a sign of strength and a willingness to improve, as Stoic philosophy teaches. Stoic philosophy emphasizes that mistakes are not failures, but opportunities for learning and growth. Admitting mistakes breaks down defensive walls, builds trust, and creates an environment where everyone feels comfortable addressing issues and seeking solutions. The courage to admit your mistakes shows that you are willing to face the truth and better yourself. So, pause, reflect on your mistakes, and learn to confront them. Doing so not only maintains the respect of others, but also helps you grow each day. Every word we speak holds tremendous power, from building to breaking relationships. The journey of discovering the things that an intelligent person never says helps us realize that even the smallest habits can change how others perceive us. In reality, what matters is not what we say, but how those words reflect our intellect and character. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends so you can all explore effective communication tips together. We look forward to reading your comments and thoughts below the video to continue discussing how to use our words wisely and positively. Thank you for joining us on this journey.